Welcome to BulldogRealty.com. Check out all of our new home communities organized by the county. Each are located within Northeast Georgia. Many qualify for USDA 100% mortgage financing. Go Dogs! Craftsman style 2-story, open floor plan with custom kitchen overlooking the great room. Kitchen has custom white cabinets, granite kitchen countertops, walk-in pantry. Great room has brick accent wood burning fireplace, separate office on main level. Master suite has tray ceiling, walk-in closet. Master bath has double vanity, separate soaking tub and shower, patio, covered front porch. Warranty, Magnolia plan. Buyer incentives. Call Tonya Williams for more information. 678-988-5687. Seller is offering with full price offer and use of the preferred lender $10,000 credit towards closing costs. Interest rate buydown. FHA 5.5 fixed rate for 30 years. 6 feet wooden rear yard privacy fence. 2-inch faux blinds. Garage door opener. Master shower door. Side refrigerator.